12-inch antique brass Casablanca Broadway Limited ceiling fan. I got this off of eBay for a ridiculous price that I'm not going to tell you. This fan is from 1981. I think it's from 81. Either 1980 or 1981. It does have a recalled hang true, so that's another sign that it's from 81. This fan does have a working slumber quiet.
It's actually cardboard box.
And sorry about the color changing light. That's just my surround sound. This fan, as you guys know, is in my bedroom. And as you guys can kind of see on the camera, this fan does have a ridiculous pitch. I didn't even intend for it to have a ridiculous pitch, but it causes the fan to move a ton of air, so let's turn it on. Here's the light. Has an LED light bulb in it. Yeah. And here's low speed. It does take a second for it to start. It does have light oak blades. And the light kit that I have for it is not original. The light kit that I have on it is a Alaska one. And I'm not sure if you can clearly see the pull chain for the light. It didn't come with a light, and I'm kind of thinking to take the light off. But I actually really do like the fan with a light on it. Turn up a little bit. Again, this fan does take a little time to speed up, so slow it down a little bit. As you guys saw in the National Ceiling Fan Day special, I had all my fans running on low speed, but I didn't have this one on low speed because it just looked way too slow, and I hate it. And plus, I never run it on low speed unless if I'm making a video like I'm doing right now, so it only makes sense. Like, right here, it's about 3/8 of the way up, and this is about a proper low speed for a Casablanca fan. And if you guys are wondering, yes, this fan is K63. Turn it up a little bit more on the control. It's pushing off a good amount of air on this speed. There used to be a turn-of-the-century Eros Harper fan here before I bought this to replace it. Yeah. As you can tell, it is going a bit faster. Turn up a little bit more. This fan is a little noisy. That's either because that's most likely the K63 motor, and also the design of the fan causes it to be a little noisy.
It's actually the cardboard box control that causes the fan to be noisy.
Which is fine because it's not that loud if compared to my surround sound system, so I'm okay with it. Turn up a little bit more. This is more about a medium-ish speed. This is typically what I run the fan on. It's right about here. But not always. I do most of the time though. Like, for example, right now it's late September, so I typically would have it slower than this, but yeah. There's like a medium high. With this fan, I didn't just put the blades in at a certain pitch and then call it good. I actually took the time to measure it so it doesn't wobble, but yet it still wobbles. But you know, it's not as bad as it would have if I was a complete idiot about it. So yeah. And here's high. This fan, the pull chain pendant does thump against the glass when it first starts. It doesn't as of right now. Here's what the fan looks like with the light on. I never run it on high because it pushes way too much air for this room, for my bedroom. And that is it for this video of this Casablanca Broadway Limited ceiling fan. Please subscribe to my channel, and yeah. Anyway though, that's gonna be it for this video, and thank you very much for watching. Peace.